In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a BooTime video call. First, let's start by opening the BooTime application on your device. You will see the familiar blue and white BooTime logo. It should be easily accessible on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you tap on it, the app will load and you will be greeted by its user-friendly interface. This is your gateway to connect with friends and family through video calls. The ease of access here is crucial as it sets the tone for a smooth calling experience. Now you need to sign in to your account. If you're already logged in, you will be taken directly to your contacts. If not, enter your credentials. This typically includes your phone number and password. Make sure you have these details handy. A successful sign-in will ensure your contacts are synced, allowing you to find the person you want to call quickly. If you encounter any issues while logging in, check your internet connection. A stable connection is vital for a seamless video call. Once you are signed in, it is time to open the chat with the person you want to call. You will see a list of your recent conversations or contacts. Scroll through this list until you find the individual you wish to connect with. Tapping on their name will open the chat window, where you can see your previous messages. This step is important because it allows you to ensure you are calling the right person. Knowing that you have the right contact helps avoid any confusion. Next, look for the video call icon, which resembles a camera at the top of the screen. This icon is typically easy to spot, often located near the text box where you send messages. Tapping this icon will initiate the video call. Once you do this, you might see a brief loading screen as the app connects your call. This action is significant because it transitions your conversation from text to a real-time video chat, enhancing your communication experience. If prompted, allow the camera and microphone permissions. This step is crucial as the app needs access to your device's hardware to facilitate the video and audio during the call. You will see a pop-up asking for permission. Make sure to tap Allow for both the camera and microphone. Denying these permissions will prevent you from being heard or seen, which defeats the purpose of the call. Once you grant these permissions, you can confidently proceed knowing you are ready for a face-to-face conversation. At this point, you will wait for the other person to answer your call. You might see a ringing icon or a notification indicating that the call is connecting. This moment can be exciting as you anticipate the other person joining the call. It's essential to have patience here. The other party may be busy or not immediately available, so give them a moment to respond. Once they answer, you will be able to see and hear each other live. This instant connection is what makes video calling so special. Finally, when you're finished with your conversation, tap the End Call button. This button is usually red and located at the bottom of the screen. Tapping it will disconnect the call. This step is important because it ensures that your call is officially ended. After you tap this button, you will likely see a confirmation message, reassuring you that the call has ended successfully. And that's it. You have now learned how to make a BooTime video call. Enjoy connecting with your loved ones through this easy and effective platform. Thank you for watching.